Hey, welcome to the channel. So, first, I owe you a quick explanation of what the purpose of the channel is. And yeah, let's start with that, and then we'll quickly go over the topic of today's video. The main focus will be uploading short game devlogs from my personal projects and the projects that I want to then release probably on Steam. That's the main goal. But until I get started with that, that's gonna be in September. There will be a lots of short and raw videos from my excursions in OpenGL and WebGPU with specifically with Rust. And besides that, I'll be trying some stuff with with Good Old Game Engine. That's probably gonna be the next video already. In short, the purpose of the weeds is mostly to motivate myself to finish the work that I want to finish. And then the extra, this I would really love to see that, but we'll see if we get enough viewers. But I would really love to see some interesting debates develop in the comments later on, like maybe some people have comments on some implementation, have some tips for that and that. And yeah, it's a way to discuss stuff with other members of the community and learn something new. Anyway, so now that out of the way, we can check today's video, which is, let's see, takes a bit of time because it's very naively implemented. But what we are looking at is maximum intensity projection with direct volume rendering. And it's implemented using Rust with OpenGL, and we are using a decom library, or however the English pronounce it. I'm not sure. You can correct me in the comments. That's how I usually say it. But yeah, that's basically it. If in the description, you can find the link to the GitHub repository. You can also find the link to this specific data set. And the SDL2 dynamically linked library, DLL, is already present in the GitHub repository for those Windows users that need it. And besides that, the quick overview of the code is, at the beginning, you have the cube vertices and indices. And then the first 100 lines, I think it's basically just processing of the data set. So from 60 to 160 circa. And then we have the OpenGL stuff. You can go over it, but it's basically pretty standard stuff that you can find in learnopengl.com in the first section, the getting started section. But as I said, it's pretty naive, and you can probably use it as a reference or even improve it on your own if you want to. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I had for today. I guess we see each other next time, or hear each other to be exact. Ciao.